Hi guys, this is Priyanka and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Nika Cookie Crumble Nail Enamel in the shade Glazed Lemon 257. So let's begin. It retails for 199 rupees for 9 ml of product and the expiry date is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. But I haven't had this for 3 years, so I can't tell you if it will last you for 3 years or not. And anyways, I think when you buy a nail paint, you gotta finish it in a year or so. Or I can update you guys in 3 years if I still have this. Also, I'm gonna give you a link in my description box to buy this product if you wanna buy through my link. Now coming to the packaging, it comes in this classic nail paint glass bottle with a white colored cap. By the way, the cap is of really nice quality. The cap has black dots, marks, whatever you want to call it, all over to give that cookie effect and match the nail paint that you can see even from outside because it's a glass bottle. The applicator is really nice and long, and the synthetic brushes at the top are of good quality and thick and applies the nail paint very smoothly. This one also has the smell of the overpowering smell of the nail paints and the nail removers, but it's very momentary and it does not linger on. As advised on the website, you gotta roll this nail paint between your palms and not shake it before application. By the way, even one coat looks really nice, like it's very subtle, but you can definitely go for 2 coats. The second coat definitely enhances the look of the paint and it does look opaque too. You can stop here, but I'm gonna show you what 3 coats look like. I think the 3 coats kind of make it perfect. It almost looks like a fake nail, but a good one for sure. The blackish bluish particles are getting distributed evenly and not just staying at one place and clumping up together. On website and on some other reviews, I have seen that a lot of people complain about the removal of this nail paint. Well, I did not have much difficulty in removing the nail paint, so the trick is to just soak your cotton pad in the nail paint remover, put it on your thumb or whatever finger you have applied the nail paint, let it sit there for like 30 seconds and then remove it. So after that also you will be left with the particles, the blackish bluish particles that it has at the end. So the second time you just have to use the same cotton pad and then just very easily wipe it off, remove it. I did not find any difficulty in removing this nail product. I don't know why are people complaining about that. This particular line of Nika nail paints has 17 shades in total. Coming to this particular shade that I'm reviewing, it's called the Glazed Lemon. It's very subtle, very elegant. It's not like the dirty yellow, the fluorescent or the neon ones which we are generally used to. This one is really nice. I really love it. On the site I have checked all the other shades and oh boy, I really want to try all of those. Now talking about how long the nail paint is gonna stay on your nails, for me this one stayed for like the first time I applied it, it was good, like it stayed for 10 days, around 8 to 10 days for sure. But if you are gonna do some household chores, like if you have to do dishes or do other stuff, then it might go away a bit faster. Also, if you are applying just 1 or 2 coats, then it does not like chip away from the front or from the sides. It stays put like this only. In fact, if you apply just 1 coat, then it's better. For 2 or 3 coats, then there is a chance that it's gonna chip away, but that will also happen after like 4 or 5 days, not before that. For some of you who have to do household chores, do some stuff, or maybe you do gardening or do some heavy duty thing, whatever, I would suggest you to apply a clear top coat so that it protects the nail paint beneath. That way it will not like go away faster. To sum it all up, it's a really nice nail paint. Like, I have used a lot of nail paints from a lot of brands, but I will have to admit that the Nykaa nail paints are quite good. Like, I really like the quality and everything about the Nykaa nail paints, and this cookie crumble is like really dainty and pretty. The look of this nail paint is around semi matte. It does have a bit of a shine to it, but it's definitely towards being more matte than being shiny. One thing that I don't like about this product is that it's not about the product per se. It's like I could not find the ingredients list anywhere on the Nykaa website or on the outer packaging of the nail paint. So I don't like that, because I like to research a lot about a product before giving any reviews on YouTube. So I wasn't very happy about that. Final verdict. Would I recommend you guys to buy this product? Of course, definitely yes. I really love this product, and if there was an ingredients list, I would have loved it more, but it's okay. Quality, the look, the feel, the elegance, I just love everything about it. So you can definitely go and buy this product, and always look out for sales before buying. So that was all for this video, guys. I hope you liked this review, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you choose to, or you can also click on that notification bell. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.